Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Oh, it's going to be a wacky Wednesday. Yesterday, wow, I was super busy. Very busy. And yesterday was a double header here in the kitchen. I'm going to kind of back up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to go forward. For dinner, I prepared ginger garlic coconut shrimp noodles. Robin, by the way, Robin came over for dinner. And it was nice to have her, the banter back and forth about the meal. I have missed that. This is a 5-star. It's simple, it's quick. But boy, does it have a lot of flavor. Really yummy. I went with a fat udon noodle because I was craving them, to be quite honest. But when Robin and I went back and forth on this, we both agreed there's two things you could serve this with. Either go with the rice noodles as called out in the ingredient list, or you could use rice, like a jasmine. Very good. One of the things I've been doing lately, since I've been cooking so much shrimp, is I've been cutting the shrimp down into 2 or 3 parts. It just gives you more fuller meal, to be quite honest. Now, I don't do the little ones, like the 4150s. I don't do those. But the bigger ones, yeah. Like last night was 2125s. I used the white shrimp from Goldfish. I cut those out in 3. All right, so we finished the evening with a cinnamon apple cake, which I baked actually earlier in the day. You saw me in my whites yesterday. Really good. Excellent. As Robin put it, this is something I could make that I don't screw up. Yeah, it's really, really, really good. Don't skimp on the cinnamon. Don't use cheap cinnamon. Definitely, I use Granny Smith's apples. But you can use whatever apple that you prefer. But it's excellent. I actually sent half of it with Robin, so she's taking it to the office today. The office staff is going to love me again. All right, today, whatever, I got another busy day, but only one meal, one dish that I'm preparing, and this is Caribbean pepper steak with rice and peas, which I'm a little confused about, and I'll explain in a minute. So let's get to it. Going to use the Dutch oven tonight, just because, and of course the crockery for the rice. I have some strip beef or beef strips. I'm only going to be doing half of the actual entree. So I got the beef. There's garlic, onion. I chose red bell pepper. These are Manzano chili peppers. These are from Central America. The recipe originally calls for Scotch bonnets. I couldn't find any, but I found these bad boys at La Superior, and we're gonna work with these. So we got oil, kosher salt, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and ground allspice. And some parsley. I might even switch to cilantro because this is a Caribbean dish with some for garnish. So here's for the main dish. And the rice is long grain white rice, kidney beans, not peas, a can of coconut milk. There'll be water added to this. Some thyme, dried or fresh, some garlic, and pepper, salt and pepper. So here's the goodies for tonight. Like I mentioned, I'm recording this early. It's actually about 5:30 because I have a meeting at 6:45, then another one at 8:30, and then another one at 9, and then one later on tonight at 7:30. Another busy day, but like I said, only this is a simple meal. So on this wacky Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.